Okay, let's try this question here. I messed it up the first time around, so this is the second try. Here's the question. You've got cosine 2x minus 2 sine squared x minus 4 sine x is equal to 2. Well, what we got to do is, if this is another one of these factoring questions, like a trinomial, there's a squared term, a linear term, and a number, then wouldn't it be nice to try and see if we put it all in terms of sine squared, wouldn't things work better? And in fact, that's exactly what we do. We go 1 minus 2 sine squared instead of cosine 2x. We've got 3 to choose from. Choose the one that's going to put it all into sine squared. Well, there's minus 2, that's minus 4, minus another 4, and then you've got 1, you take away 2, equals minus 1. Well, I don't like negatives, so let's multiply everything by positive 1. Hey, now we can put 2 brackets, and it looks like 2 sine x times 2 sine x will give me 4 sine squared x, and 1 times 1 is 1. And there's 1 times 2 sine x times 1. Oh, it all works out. Well, what do we got here? 2 sine x plus 1 equals 0. Subtract 1, divide by 2. We're looking for what makes the sine of what angle is minus a half. Well, you shift sine minus a half, you get minus 30 degrees. And 180 minus 30 is 210. There's your general solution. What about this question? Well, maybe it would be nice to put everything in terms of cosine squared. So we go to the one where cosine 2x is 2 cos squared minus 1. We rearrange it a little bit, and now we factor in. Plus cos x minus 2 cos x. Oh, that gives me the minus cos x. 2x cos x times cos x, 2 cos squared. Well, there it is. We got two things here. We got cos x equal to 1. Or cos x equals to, you make it equal 0, subtract 1, and then divide by 2. Well, if you go shift cosine of minus a half, you're going to get 120 degrees. So there's the plus and the minus of 120 degrees plus k times 360, and k is an element of the integers. And what is the cosine of x equal 1? Well, it's 0 degrees, or at 0 plus k times 360. But hey, why not just write k times 360? Because that'll get every possible solution where the cosine of x equals 1. I think if you go shift cosine of 1, might tell you 0 degrees, but it's any multiple of 360, negative or positive, that'll give you the same answer. And there we go. We're all done.